Hey everyone, it's been a while since I have had something to put on YouTube. I have been really busy with the Art Healing Hearts auctions on Facebook, and I do hope that you will join our group over on Facebook. The link will be below the video. I also have just been experimenting with different mediums and doing a lot of resin and alcohol ink pieces. The last auction in July, I sold all 10 pieces that I created of alcohol inks. They were really popular. I do have prints of them available in my shop on my website, and the link will be below the video. Also, I want to add some classes where I'm teaching some of the techniques that I used in some of those pieces. I did video them, and unfortunately my camera was out of focus and I didn't realize it. So I've got to make those videos again. There is an auction coming up Saturday, August 5th. One day only, 5 artists in the Art Healing Hearts auctions group, 29 pieces, so about 6 pieces for each artist. And I just wanted to quickly show you mine so that you could see what I've created, and I would love your support to come over to the Art Healing Hearts auction and support me on Saturday, August 5th. That link will be below the video. The name of the show is One Day, One Price. And so all of the pieces are either 8 by 8 inch or 8 by 10 inch size. And there'll be the starting bid will be the same price for all of them. And the bin price, or the buy it now price, kind of like eBay where you buy it and you skip the bidding against other people, that is the same for all pieces as well. So we're doing something a little bit different than we typically do. The pieces are all around the same size, so it's just a fun show. One day, 10 a.m. till 11:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is New York time. So let me show you real quickly my 6 pieces, and then I will give you a quick little video at the end showing all the pieces from all the artists, the other 4 artists and mine, that will be in the show, with the link below the video to the Art Healing Hearts auctions group. Here's Hummingbird Faithfulness. So I actually created these all along the lines of the fruits of the Spirit. And so for this bird, it's faithfulness. And this is definitely a make-believe hummingbird. You don't really see one that's all rainbow colored. I just love color, you know me. Owl and goodness. And I wanted to do a bright, bold pink owl. So here is her. Here is the owl. Here is she. And what pronoun? I don't know. Okay, here is Peacock Joy. I usually use metallics on peacocks. I didn't on this one, except for a little bit of the metallic gold and the feathers, and a few little accents of gold, but everything is just bold color. Peacock Joy. Patience. And this is the fox. The fox is a sneaky little fellow or gal, but they have to exercise a lot of patience to be able to stay alive, find their meals, and so forth. Patience. So here's this little cutie patootie. Gentleness. Panda. So here's this colorful little cutie pie. Again, these are all 8 by 8 inch. Final piece is love. And this, I have a little story on Facebook about my mother and her love for raccoons. And she's no longer with me, but this is like a homage to my mother. So this is my love raccoon. They're all wooden cradled panels. That's what they look like. And so You can actually sit them down and they will stand on a bookshelf or whatever, or you can hang them. Okay, so there's 6 pieces. Now the bonus, I'm going to give a little bit of a free giveaway dragonfly painting. I'll show you that in a second. The deal is that on Facebook on Saturday during the auction, in the album where my artwork will be, and you will find all the artist work in the featured section in the album of the group. There'll be an album for each artist. And just look in the featured section. Or if you're on your computer, you can go to media and then click on albums, and it'll show the different albums for the different artists. So I'll have 6 pieces, and you'll get an entry for every comment you make on my pieces. So you can get up to 6 comments, 6 entries. Or, if you're bidding against somebody, you might get more entries. I'm going to give you a chance for an entry, for a drawing, per comment. You can like it or love it, but you need to comment in order to get a chance to win the dragonfly. And so this is just a little bonus giveaway that I'm doing, and it doesn't have to be a winning bidder, but it may be somebody that wins a bid on a piece. This is the piece, and it's a 5x7 canvas panel, and it is everything is all acrylics. And it has a bright light shining. There's a few accents of metallic gold, and it's just a little make-believe dragonfly fairyland with just bright lights shining. I want to express light, love. 6 of these are representing those fruits of the Spirit. Please, please, please come join me over at Facebook. And if you're not on Facebook, you can also have a friend come in and bid for you and win a bid if that's what you would like to do. You don't have to have a Facebook account. You can have someone do it for you. And all the rules and instructions and guidelines and everything are in the featured section in the Facebook group at the top of the page. Just pull up the featured section and you'll find them. And again, on the day of the show, Saturday, August 5th, starting at 10 a.m., there will be 5 albums for each one for each artist. You're also going to get to see it the night before on Facebook. The comments will be turned off for bidding until 10 o'clock on Saturday morning, but you'll get to see the pieces and see the prices so that you can be prepared to get in, jump in, and bid if you want to. I would love to sell all 6 pieces. I think they're really special, and they were prayed over and painted specifically to touch people in a special way. So thank you so much. I love you all. And here is the rest of the art that's coming up in the auction on Saturday. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.